My name is Aaron Dukes on our Pristine Steam Wash. We're based out of Canton, Ohio. We provide mobile auto detailing services.
I'm on a steam clean the top of the seat, working my way down to the dirtiest part of this. Where up here is more so sanitizing and cleaning. Down there, I'm going to be steaming the top and off, so deep clean and sanitize.
We are one of the only companies that use the Optima Steam Cleaner, which will help sanitize, deodorize, and deep clean the vehicle with just using steam.
A parent who doesn't have time to clean their vehicle, or the busy business owner who can't get to their own vehicle. So we come to them to clean their vehicle on site to make sure that we can sanitize, deep clean their vehicle, and leave them the best result. Also furniture and area rug cleaning and general steam cleaning services, where we can offer more than just detailing and provide more of the customer's needs if they have any other things that they need around their home or their office or whatever business is that something out of the ordinary can't get and steam can provide. Since I switched over to the Optima versus using the other steam cleaners, it's definitely been helping me be more efficient with the job, leave better results.